Hello, I'm Sydna Massé, author of the book Her Choice to Heal, Finding Spiritual and Emotional Peace After Abortion, and the founder and CEO of Ramah International, an outreach organization designed to offer the hope of healing to abortions wounded around the world. Embracing grief after abortion has massive rewards that are outlined in Psalm 126, 4-6. Restore our fortunes, Lord, like streams in the Negev. Those who sow with tears will reap with songs of joy. Those who go out weeping, carrying seeds to sow, will return with songs of joy, carrying sheaves with them. Grief and joy don't seem to go together, but they do. I never want to get over missing my aborted child or my parents who are now in heaven. Thinking about them can make me cry or laugh, depending on the memory. When expected grief comes, like on their birthdays, anniversary dates, or just looking through photos, I may weep again. I miss them. Crying brings God's comfort close to my heart. By embracing this grief, I relieve my burden and receive God's warm love. Focused grief means openly embracing any level of potential sorrow and allowing tears to flow freely. Whatever triggers abortion grief, realize tears are essential in the ongoing healing process. Lamentations 2:18-19 shares more on God's purpose in our mourning our aborted children. The hearts of the people cry out to the Lord, "You wall of the daughter of Zion, let your tears flow like a river day and night. Give yourself no relief, your eyes no rest. Arise, cry out in the night as the watches of the night begin. Pour out your heart like water in the presence of the Lord. Lift up your hands to him for the lives of your children." This module, along with Chapter 7 in my book, Her Choice to Heal, will begin to help you begin to realize your grief and embrace it so that you reach the joy that will await you through God's restoration process.